Welcome to DIY Yolande. I hope you enjoy this video. I need a ring light because
there's not much natural light that comes in to this area of the house. Our main bedroom and our guest bedroom, those have perfect lighting, but it's not like I can do DIYs in there, you know. So I'm planning to do more sit-down videos in this area, and yeah, unfortunately there's no natural light, so I DIY'd a ring light. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
you will need a round aluminium tray, cable tires, 4-5 meters fairy lights, batteries, box cutter, scissor and foil. Step 1. Grab your box cutter and cut out a circle out of the aluminium tray. Step 2. Then use a scissors to cut out neatly. Be careful not to cut yourself with the aluminium tray. And here it is, a perfect circle. Step 3. Wrap foil around the frame of your ring light. Step 4. Grab your battery-operated fairy lights and place them in a circular pattern on your ring light frame, and use the cable tires to hold them in place. Step 5. Now secure the battery part of the fairy lights at the back of your ring light and use the cable ties to put them in place. Step 6. Cut out the parts of the cable ties that is sticking out. Be careful not to cut your fairy lights. YouTubers like me who are on a budget, I hope this video helps you out.
So here you have it, guys. The light is lighting. So now I've got nice lighting for my sit-down videos whenever I have a sit-down video with you. Isn't that awesome? Yeah.
I look forward to seeing your recreation of this DIY. Please share it with me on Instagram at yolande_.ntsele. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.